Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to be using facial Nair to do my eyebrows. I mean, look at them. They're hella bushy, bro. As you can see, it says face cream. I think the other Nair products are too strong for your face, so they made a facial version. I'm gonna be using this concealer brush to apply it on around my eyebrows. It smells like hair loss. Okay, now I'm gonna put some on my hand, and I'm gonna be working it out. This is the same technique as I normally do while I conceal my eyebrows. I feel like that's good enough, right? I think. I haven't done this in a while, so if this completely fails, I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows for like a straight week. I've now done both underbrow. Both brows under. Now I'm gonna start from the top. One time my twin told me to use this as a shampoo. While I was in the shower, I was like, where's the shampoo? And he handed me a Nair. I was like, what the heck is this? I was gonna use it. Then I read the description. No. I see videos on YouTube where kids accidentally use Nair on their head as shampoo. You know what it reminds me of? That exposed page on Instagram. I guess the owner used Nair on their head and they lost all their hair. As you can see, I'm just shaping the brow. So I let this sit for approximately, 5 minutes? Do not exceed 10 minutes. So I feel like if I leave it on for 10 minutes, I'll burn my fucking skin off. It smells like skin. Have you ever went like this and smelt it? That's how it smells. I'm just waiting. Okay, I feel like now it's time to wipe it off. Okay, I'm gonna wipe it off now. Wait, what if it's not time? What if it's not ready? I'll just wait another minute. I put some foundation on, so... Ew, look at that. It's coming off. Definitely gonna need to pluck these. Okay, I feel like it did clean. It gave me this little guide to where I need to pluck. So I'm just gonna pluck the leftovers with my tweezer. Look at that. I love that. Now that my eyebrows are cleaned up, I'm gonna be trimming them with one of these baby scissors. Do you guys like them? I mean, they're not all that, but I'm gonna be using a little bit of this just to make my eyebrows a little bit bold. I just put very, very little product on the brush just to make it look a little bit natural. Yeah, I'm probably gonna be putting a little bit of concealer under the brow just to clean them up a little bit. I'm gonna be using this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I feel like that made it much better like that. I feel like this was a success, and I really liked how it turned out. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up down below. Comment down below and tell me if you're actually gonna try this out. This was really easy to do. It just takes a little bit of concentration to line it up here and down here. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you, bye.